Severe tropical cyclone Jasper continues to intensify in the Coral Sea, and we can see that clearly here in the water vapor imagery, particularly with these areas of pink and dark blue rotating around the eye. And that shows us there's some intense convection developing around the eye of the cyclone. But also note, we're seeing a lot of high cloud streaming off to the south and also to the north. And that tells us there's very good ventilation with this cyclone. And that, combined with the very warm sea surface temperatures and a conducive atmosphere for development, tells us it's likely to see intensification across the cyclone today, tonight, and into tomorrow. Right now though, currently severe tropical cyclone Jasper Category 3 system is roughly around 1,200 kilometres to the east-northeast of Cairns and slowly moving towards the south-southwest. Now, as we move into tonight and to tomorrow, with that, we could see further intensification into a Category 4 system, and that will continue into Saturday as well before we start to see maybe just some slight weakening as it takes more of a westward turn later on Saturday and into Sunday. Now, the answer after that is, where will Jasper go after that? And there's a range of scenarios on exactly where it will go, and that's why we're stressing to the residents and communities between Cooktown and Mackay to stay up to date with the latest forecasts as this situation continues to change. So let's look at one of those scenarios. So as we move into the Sunday and Monday period, we could see the cyclone continue tracking towards the west-southwest, closer to the Queensland coast. But before this, the only impact we'll see is just some strong and gusty winds along the coast of Queensland. But as I said, this is only one scenario. Let's look at a few others and why we're still a bit uncertain about where exactly Jasper will travel as we move into next week. Note that they're fairly close as we move through today, tomorrow, and into Saturday, which means there's pretty good consistency across the models. But watch how they diverge as we move into the latter part of the weekend and early next week. So while some scenarios have the cyclone moving closer to the Queensland coast, others move it a little bit south or actually keep it offshore, like you're seeing here with the Access model continuing to keep Jasper offshore. And that's why there's still high uncertainty in exactly where severe tropical cyclone Jasper will go. So as we keep saying, if you live between Cooktown and Mackay and in between, please stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via our website, app and social media, and we'll continue to keep you updated here at the Bureau.